thoughts on altcoins market cap? We still have a lot of room, Jason. Um, we have a lot of room left in altcoins market cap. The move has not started yet. The major move in altcoins have not started yet. So it's just a waiting game right now. OSKR, thank you. Okay, we hit 26,000 likes, so let's go and see what's going on in the market, guys. Let me move my beautiful picture here. Okay, thank you so much, Shana, for reminding me. So guys, disclaimer. So whatever I share, whatever I say during this TikTok live, and whatever you see on these charts is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my technical analysis based on my limited knowledge. I could be wrong, so do not take any financial decisions based on my analysis. Do your own research, okay? And another thing I wanted to do, one sec, just one sec, guys. One second. Main crypto. And this one. Just 1 second, guys. I wanted to do something. Okay. Yes. So, guys, just to tell you that this is my only TikTok account, Crypto King #1, 1 million. So Crypto King 1 million is my only TikTok account. I do not have any other account on TikTok. So there are so many fake accounts who are using my profile picture and my content without my permission on TikTok. And they are sending DMs to different people pretending that that's me. That is not me. I will never send you a DM. I will never initiate a conversation. I will never ask you to give me your crypto. I will never trade for anyone. I will never ever contact you unless you send me a message on this user ID. I will reply back to your message. But please be very careful. There are so many scammers who are trying to scam innocent people, but you should be intelligent enough to figure out that that's a scammer and that's a fake account who is contacting you. So be very careful. This is my only TikTok account. I have a similar account on Instagram, Crypto King 1 million. And this is my YouTube account, guys, the Crypto King Show. If you miss my TikTok live, you can go watch my TikTok recording on the Crypto King Show YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go do that, okay? And I post other videos as well on my YouTube channel, analysis videos. So it is a very good resource for you to find out what's going on in the market. Try to go on Instagram, follow me, and YouTube also. Thank you so much. Let me put it on the side. So today is September 9th. Right now it's 8:15 p.m. So guys, Bitcoin is moving in sideways. I know it's boring since when? Basically, this price action is happening since 29th of August. It's going in sideways. It's been 11 days. Bitcoin is moving in sideways. Okay, Shana, thank you so much. And I believe now it is getting ready for a move. Either it's gonna move up or down based on these news events. Okay, I'm giving you short-term analysis. Okay, long-term, if you want to know long-term analysis, guys, come join my Discord group. Over there, I give you the long-term analysis, my long-term projected targets, my buy level, everything. Okay, we just finished our Zoom call on our Discord group, by the way. So tomorrow we have PPI news, producer price index. Okay, last time market came down from 124,500 after we saw unexpectedly. The projection was 0.3 PPI, but the number came out at 0.9. It was a very bad number, which shows there's a high inflation on raw material and services, what producers are providing to customers. So it was showing a big spike on the raw material price. Okay, and tomorrow 8:30 a.m. This news is gonna come. If you see any number at 0.3, 0.2, 0.4, that is perfectly fine. But if you see a big surprise here, 0.7, 8, 9, that will be a bad news, and based on that, market is gonna come down a little bit. Okay, if we see a bad number, but if we see a good number, market is gonna move up. Okay, and then we have this CPI number, core inflation rate. It is expected to come at 2.9%. If you see, this is on September 11th. If you see, chart on our screen is stuck on ETH. Do you guys see my screen properly or not? Do you guys see core inflation, this news I'm sharing? Okay, maybe whoever is saying their screen is stuck, maybe log off and log in again, guys. Yeah, if it is stuck for you, it's the problem from your side. Anyways, so this is an inflation number, guys. Oh, sorry, yeah, this is ETH, not Bitcoin. Sorry, my bad, guys. That's ETH, not Bitcoin. I'll go to Bitcoin. Anyways, let's review this news first. So core inflation, CPI data is expected to come at 2.9. If you see 2.8 or 2.7, that is a very good news for the market, because this is the last news before Fed has their meeting next week. And next week, there are more than 90% expectations that Fed is going to reduce interest rates. So now each and every analyst, each and every economist, all news channels, business news channels, all hedge fund managers, all the big institutions are expecting that next week Fed is going to reduce interest rates. So there's an expectation of 25 basis points. 25 basis points means 0.25% reduction in interest rates. But if Fed decides to reduce more than 0.25%, if they reduce 0.5%, that will be a big news for the market. On that news, this market is going to spike up like anything. And my guess is there might be a surprise next week, guys. Fed may reduce interest rates more than 2.5%. Sorry, 0.25%. The reason is today we saw unemployment data revision, and during last 1 year, 900,000 less jobs were created as compared to what data they showed us. So that data was wrong. That data was incorrect. Whatever you see every month that this many jobs created, today they revised that data and they said more than 900,000 less jobs were created. So if you still believe in these numbers, what they share every month, God bless you. I don't believe in their numbers. Even I don't believe inflation is sitting at 2.7%. I believe it is way below 2.7%. These numbers, how unprofessional, or I would say this is such a fraud. This is such a fraud that for last 1 year they were telling us this many jobs created, and now they're saying, oh, by the way, sorry, my bad. we gave you 900,000 jobs fake data. So they're saying 900,000 jobs which we said are created during last 1 year are not created. Sorry. So now Jerome Powell, who was saying, Powell, who's the chairman of Fed, he was saying our job market is good. We have two main things to control: unemployment and inflation. Inflation is low. Unemployment rate is low, but that's not true, Mr. Powell. I told you, if you remember, I'm telling you for last couple of months that Powell is late. These job numbers are lagging indicators, and it's going to be too late for Fed to reduce interest rates. And that is exactly what's happening. Now your job numbers are bad, are really bad. 900,000 is a big number. So anyways, we will see interest rates to come down. And now the question is, are they going to reduce 0.25% or 0.5%? And before there was an expectation that this year we will see 2 rate cuts. And now most analysts are saying there will be 3 rate cuts at least this year. So we have a meeting in this month, September, then October, and then November. I think we don't have a meeting in December. So next 3 meetings, 3 rate cuts. That's what we are expecting. But anyways, let me go back to Bitcoin, guys. So this is your Bitcoin. That was Ethereum. Sorry, my bad. So Bitcoin is moving in sideways, as you can see. It is very important for Bitcoin to break this level, guys. 113,213. Okay, 113,213. It is very important for Bitcoin to break this level and close at least 2 4-hour candles above this level. Thank you, Huck Legal. Thank you so much. So keep an eye on this level. Let's see tomorrow if we get a good news, we may see a spike. Okay. So we're gonna keep our eye on that news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Okay, that's a very important news. Anyways, so long term, this market is bullish, guys. As you remember, last time I gave you some analysis on the total market cap. That as compared to last market top. Let me just go here. So this is where market topped in 2021. Sorry, not this. Just 1 second, guys. This is daily. Let me go to weekly. 1 sec. Yeah. So this is where 2017 market topped. 2017-18. The total market cap was 772 billion. This is where 2021 market topped at $3 trillion total market cap. And this is where the market is sitting right now. So if you compare 2017-2021, there was a 300% gain in the market cap when market topped in 2021 from 2017 top. So $3 trillion, 300% more money came in the market, okay, as compared to 2017-2018 market top, which was 772 billion. And when in 2021 market topped, the total market cap was 3 trillion, sorry. And now, right now, after this whole move so far,